Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good day trading. Today, market is down about 2.5% there. On the S&P Nasdaq, 3.4%. Semiconductor close to 4. Dow 2. Russell 2000. Transport, banks, energy, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utility, retail, emerging market, every single sectors are red today. Gold, silver, miners, and Bitcoins are down. Dollar up. Oil down. Treasury bond up. VIX popped about 8% there. Let's stick with S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65-minute chart here. So this is where we closed yesterday. And we saw a down gap this morning here. As you can see with that down gap, we're now below all the moving averages here. As you can see, we're below the mid-term, short-term, micro-term, and the long-term as of today. And that is not a good sign. Not a good news for the bulls. And after the first hour move, you can see second hour, third hour, fourth hour. We did find support here in this vicinity. You see that purple dotted line. I'm going to zoom out later and you will see where it comes from. And fifth hour, little green candle there. And then you can see at 390, we were not able to get above that 390. And I'm going to zoom out and you'll see what that level is all about. So if you're a buyer here and you're desperately seeking for higher prices, well, I got the micro term at 393. The moving average is in the vicinity. And really, this down gap is that down gap right here. That was the dagger for the buyers, especially a lot of the buyers. If they chase it anywhere on this vicinity, well, this down gap is going to make things very hectic, because this level not only is going to act as resistance. If this down gap doesn't get filled, it could be hectic for the remainder of this month. So you looking for that Santa rally? Well, this gap must be filled as quickly as possible. That's the low, higher lows. And we did not retest this support level for quite some time, since early November here. So this is the first time we're finally getting back to this level at 387.8 or so. So you can see definitely price is kind of aware of this level. Another thing I kind of want to mention a little bit is just because we're dealing with a sort of this pivotal level here. Also, we've been in this very choppy market in the last 2 months or so. So can you imagine? I mean, people are getting, trapped left and right. People going long here, trapped. People going short here, trapped. People are going long here, trapped. And people go, now people are trying to go, short or, So I mean, obviously these lows and highs that they're trapping, the lows. So these new lows are trapping both longs, because the longs are getting stopped out. Shorts are entering the shorts possibly. And all these new highs are trapping the both longs and shorts, because the longs maybe go long on a breakout or on when it clears a level. Shorts are forced to cover. I mean, can you imagine just a couple of days with 3% gap up? I mean, all the shorts had to get out. And we're backing new lows just a couple of days later. So as you can see, it's been extremely difficult market. If you're very solely focused on the short term, well, this market knows how to, turn you around and bull you. All right, let's check out that oscillator. So the oscillator is getting to very near to that oversold level. We're pretty much at the oversold level here, as you can see. We're very near to that level. So we might potentially see a oversold bounce going into tomorrow and early next week. And, that oversold bounce could get us to potentially the micro term, which is about 393, right? So I think just because there's been so much shenanigans in this vicinity, I just really don't want to rule out the fact that this entire vicinity right here, right? Because we have that gap. Oh my gosh, I'm not. So you can see that vicinity, this entire vicinity of 390 385 is important support level, right? You can see again prior resistance. That's an important swing high, right? And this is a level where we saw that bounce. So we're right on the vicinity. Also, you can see that 385, right? This is an important swing high, prior resistance, new support, and this entire level is a gap area. This is a bull's territory, right? All the bulls are hanging out in this vicinity. They're making sure that this gap area, this entire 385, 375 area is protected. So this is the area, just because there's been so much up and down shenanigans, everybody getting chopped to death here, getting trapped left and right, head faked left and right.
Perfect.
And because we're oversold, there could be some, so if we do see a bounce here, I kind of want to see how, if this actually some kind of, because when you're dealing with kind of a consolidation of phase, because so many people are like anticipating either breakout, breakdown, so many bulls probably was very, very excited to see a new high here, thinking that is going to be the breakout for 420 or higher. And then, you know, we came back to it. Today, as you can see, this is the level, right? This lot of bears are very, very excited. They want to see 374 making even low, new lows, the October lows. So I won't be surprised to see another hate head fake if this level is it holds, and if we do see a bounce here in this vicinity, I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening. Good luck training tomorrow.
You have another question? Sure, I got one question for you.
It's, can you deal with that?
You have another question? Sure, I got one question for you. It's, can you deal with that?